You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength.
Here is a rule to remember in future: when anything tempts you to feel bitter, not this is misfortune, but to bear this worthily is good fortune.
The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Do every act of your life as though it were the very last act of your life. Think of yourself as dead. You have lived your life. Now, take what's left and live it properly. What doesn't transmit light creates its own darkness. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself and your way of thinking. It is not death that a man should fear, but he should fear never beginning to live.